Hey library friends, it's Miss Kathy coming to you from the Maumelle branch of the Central Arkansas Library System with a Lego challenge. And today's challenge goes along with our summer reading theme this year, which is Imagine Your Story. Today I'm going to challenge you to build with your Legos or blocks or stuff you get out of the recycling box with permission from your grown-ups, but mostly Legos. I challenge you to build a working catapult and find something light that won't poke somebody's eye out and put it in the catapult and build a wall or a castle and see if you can launch the object over the castle wall. Now, if you already have an idea that you want to work on, go ahead and go do that. Come on, go play. And you can share it with us later in the comment section if your grown-up says it's okay. But if you need some ideas of how to get started, hang on just a minute and I'll give you some ideas of what worked for me.
You came back? Huzzah! That means hooray in old-time medieval language. So I'm glad you're back. This is what I came up with for my castle wall. I got a little fancy, put some stone things and some arches in there. The blue behind it is just an old shoebox, but I like it because it kind of looks like sky, and it means I won't have to chase all over everything that I shoot with my catapult. So you can make your wall however you want. You could just make a rectangle wall. You can make it shorter or taller, holes in it, whatever you want to do. Now, when you're building the catapult, there's a couple important things you need. You need to have something long, like this. See, I kind of stuck mine together, but I probably should have found something that was long for the whole way. And you need 2 tires, and you need an axle piece that will let you fasten it on. And you need something up here because you need some place to put your ammunition. Now here's a little one that I made, and then I'll show you later I made a bigger one. The most important part of the catapult is that you can make it be a lever, or lever, lever, seesaw. It goes like this. All right, so first we're gonna try it. Let's see if we can get it to go. I just put a little Lego piece in there. Let's see if we can get it to go over the castle wall. Ready? Kind of, and my catapult broke in half. So clearly I should have done something sturdier. But let's see, let's try it again. Okay. Oh, and the wheel fell off too. Awesome. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it didn't go over the wall, but it stayed together. So you can keep experimenting with that. You could see what would happen if you were farther away or closer, if you had a longer or shorter piece here, if you pressed it harder and flung it harder with more force. I also made a bigger container here out of this piece that I found. Let's see if this works. And I made a cannonball out of some old tin foil. Let's see if that works. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, and it went over the shoebox too. That seemed to work pretty well. So that is what I came up with. I also found some more fun ways to play with my Lego toy. I couldn't find any Lego soldiers, but look what I found. Oh, hello, Mr. Triceratops. Here I go. Oh, what a beautiful castle. I'll just climb right up. I can jump. Hey. And put him up here. See if you can balance. What? Can you balance up there? Stay there. Here, yep. And look what I found to shoot at him. Oh, it's the evil squid. Oh, I'm going to go in the catapult. There he goes, putting the bigger part. Let's see if we can get him to go up over the castle. Watch out, Mr. Triceratops. Here comes evil squid. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Up and over. All right. Well, clearly my catapult is not battle ready, but that's what experimenting is all about. So if you made something awesome and you want to share it, ask your grown-up if they will help you post it and share it in our comment section on our Facebook page. Also, we hope you'll join us for our summer reading program. You can find that with a grown-up's help by going to our webpage, cals.org, clicking on events, and then clicking on Summer Reading Club 2020. And that would give you some reading challenges and a chance to win some prizes. I hope you had fun, and stay tuned for another Lego challenge on another day. Bye.